Hey folks, what's up? Welcome to my channel. So if your Cash App borrow is not showing up, or if the borrow feature on Cash App is not showing up, you've come to the right video. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to unlock this borrow feature on Cash App and get your short-term loan. So let's aim this tutorial. So why is your Cash App borrow not showing up? This Cash App borrow is a short-term loan feature that lets eligible customers on Cash App to get a short-term loan from the digital payment service. Okay, so eligible customers. So how do you become an eligible customer? First off, you need to make sure that you meet the age requirement. Of course, you need to be at least 18 years of age, and also you need to make sure that your account is in good standing, that you verified your account, that you've set up direct deposit, and that your account is on frequent, that you carry out frequent transactions on your Cash App account. So your account needs to be very active in order for you to get this borrow feature. So if you can't find the borrow feature, because this is where it's actually listed under more ways to add money, you typically find the borrow feature there. But if you don't see this borrow feature here, don't worry. First off, you need to make sure that you are eligible. You are located in an eligible state, a state that allows Cash App to offer short-term loans to customers. If you don't know which state, if you are looking to know which states are actually eligible for this Cash App borrow feature, there are actually 19. Even though Cash App hasn't confirmed, but according to recent stats, there are 19 states that allow Cash App to offer short-term loan to users. Okay, so to offer the borrow feature to users. To get the link to get these states, you need to check this video description to get a link to this Cash App borrow eligible state. So once you're sure you're located in an eligible state, you need to make sure that your account is in good standing and that it is worth its credit worthiness is very impressive. Okay, so you need to make sure that your account is in good standing, no negative balances, that you verified your Cash App account, and that it does not have any negative balance, or you don't have overdue payment. And also you need to make sure that you verify your Cash App account. I said earlier, if you don't verify a Cash App account, you won't be eligible to get the Cash App card, which is also an eligibility requirement to unlock this borrow feature on Cash App. Okay, and also ultimately you need to understand that the decision of offering this borrow feature is solely Cash App's. Okay, no one controls how Cash App makes this borrow feature eligible for customers. So there is no trick or hint that you want to imply in order to play with the system and get the borrow feature on your end. Okay, so it is solely Cash App's decision, but to encourage them in offering you this feature, you need to make sure that you meet the eligibility requirements. So the eligibility requirements are as follows. You need to be at least 18 years of age, your account needs to be in good standing, you need to set up direct deposit, and your account needs to be very active in terms of transactions. Okay, so make Cash App understand that okay, this user actually deserves this feature. He's a frequent Cash App user and his account is in really good standing, plus he has verified his account, so why shouldn't we give him this borrow feature? Okay, so you need to make sure that you meet these eligibility requirements in order to get the borrow feature on Cash App. Okay guys, we've come to the end of our video. If you found it really helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and tap the notification bell to not miss our upcoming update. Okay, so I'll catch you on the next one.